Why do some games stay in your mind for years? Will other disappears after 1 week? Why does losing a fictional character something hurt more than losing multiplayer match? And why do games like Red Dead Redemption, The Last of Us and God of War feels less like games and more like memories? Because great developers don't just a gameplay, they create engineering emotions. हेलो आई एम ट्विस्ट एंड यू आर वाचिंग ट्विस्ट ऑफ द गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री में एक बहुत कॉमन मिथ है कि ग्राफिक्स ही सब कुछ है बट रियलिटी कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट है. ग्राफिक्स इम्प्रेस कराते हैं फॉर अ मिनट्स बट इमोशंस क्रिएट लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरीज. अ प्लेयर में फॉरगेट मिशन मैकेनिज्म और मैप्स बट they never forget how a game made them feel. Think about Red Dead Redemption. Millions of players become emotionally attached to Arthur Morgan, but not because of horse physics, not because of graphics, but because the game slowly built a human connection. Camp, conversation, slow rides, emotional silence, loyalty, regret, sacrifice. Arthur didn't feel like a fictional character. He felt real. And that create emotional design. इमोशन डिज़ाइन का सिंपल मीनिंग ये है कि डिज़ाइनिंग अ गेम्स इन अ वे दैट कंट्रोल व्हाट्स द प्लेयर फील. फियर, कंसर्निटी, लोनलीनेस, पावर, सैडनेस, होप, टेंशन. एवरी लेजेंडरी गेम्स carefully manipulate this. Music, gameplay, lightning, pacing, animation, environment, stories. For example, horror games मॉन्स्टर की वजह से स्कैरी नहीं लगते. फियर्स एक्चुअली कम्स फ्रॉम एंटिसिपेशन. इमेजिन दिस, एक डार्क हॉलवे है, लाइटनिंग फ्लिकर हो रही है, बैकग्राउंड में एक लो ब्रीदिंग साउंड आ रहा है एंड सडनली एवरीथिंग्स बिकम साइलेंट. योर ब्रेन्स ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग फियर. दिस इज साइकोलॉजिकल स्टोरी टेलिंग. गेम्स लाइक Silent Hill 2 and Resident Evil 7 use this technique perfectly. The real horror is not the monster. The real horror is uncertainty. Movies में भी same psychology use करते हैं. जैसे look at Jaws. The shark appears very little in the yet audience were terrified because suspense is stronger than visibility. The human brains fear the unknown more than. Now here where games becomes more powerful than movies. In movies you watch emotion, but in games you participate in emotions. That changes everything. When you watch Intercept, you observe Copper emotions plan, Copper's emotion pain. You press the button, you make the choices, you walk through the ruined words. The experience becomes personal. This is why players' agency is not important. If players feels responsible for action, emotional patterns becomes much stronger. Take The Last of Us an example. The relationship between Jules and Ellie is not built only through cutscenes. The gameplay itself creates attachment. You survive together, fight together, protect each other, travel together. Slowly, the player stops seeing Ellie as an NPC. She starts feeling importance emotionally. This is called gameplay storytelling, where gameplay itself tells the story. It's still of only dialogue. और ऑनेस्टली यही जगह है जहाँ मोस्ट बिगिनर गेम डेवलपर्स फेल हो जाते हैं. दे फोकस ऑन ओनली मैकेनिज्म, पंचिंग सिस्टम, शूटिंग सिस्टम, ड्राइविंग सिस्टम, बट दे फॉरगेट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन: हाउ शुड द प्लेयर फील? बिकॉज इमोशंस आर द रियल प्रोडक्ट. लुक एट Minecraft. No realistic graphics, no cinematic cutscene. One of the most successful games ever create. Why? Because the games creates emotional freedom, curiosity, creativity, discovery, peace, isolation. The games trust you imagination, and imagination is more powerful than graphics. An example is God of War. Older God of, older God of War games were focused mainly on rage and destruction, distraction. But the 2080 version completely changed the emotional core. Now the story becomes about fatherhood, responsibility, control, and emotion pain. Even the game's design changed. Even the camera design changed. The games uses a continuous single shot camera style, making every moment feel personal and immersive. No cut, no emotional escape. You stay connected to characters all the time. That is cinematic emotion design. And then comes music, probably the strongest emotional weapons in storytelling. A sad scene without music often feels incomplete, but the correct soundtrack can emotionally destroy the audience. Think about the soundtrack of Interstellar. Hans Zimmer didn't just create background music, he created emotional pressure. Similarly, in Red Dead Redemption 2, emotional songs during important rites make players feel the music controls emotion interpretation. Now let's talk about one of the most genius technique in game design, environmental storytelling. कभी कभी वर्ल्ड खुद स्टोरी बोलता है without dialogues. Imagine entering an abandoned room, broken toys on the floor, dust covered family photos, half eaten food still on the table, blood marks near the wall. Without a single line of dialogue, your brain automatically creates story. Games like Bioshock and Dark Souls are master of this technique. The technique becomes the detective, and discovery stories are always remembered more deeply than explained stories. Because the human brains remember experience better than information. Now here and important truth. Great storytelling does not mean making everything sad. A lot beginners create think emotional storytelling means depression and tragedy. But real emotion designs about the emotional contrast. Without peaceful moments, shocks feel normal. Without sadness, happiness feels weak. Without silence, loud moments lose impact. That's why that's why pacing matters so much. Notice how Red Dead Redemption 2 intentionally slow down some things. Horse riding, campfire conversation, nature, quiet music. These moments are not boring. They are emotional preparation because non-stop action eventually creates emotional numinous and is connects directly to audience psychology too. The human brain loves curiosity loop. Who is the villain? What happens next? Can this character survive? What secret is what secret is hidden here? Unanswered questions create mental tension, and the brain naturally wants closure. This is why this is why cliffhangers works so work so well work so well in games, movies, and even YouTube videos like this. Now imagine combining curiosity, emotional attachment, music, cinematic camera work, entertainment storytelling, and player choice together. That that when games stop feeling artificial. That when players say this is game changed me. And honestly the future of gaming belongs to developer who understand human emotional deeply. AI can generate graphics, AI can generate animation, AI can even generate dialogues. But understanding fear, loneliness, hope, guilt, sacrifice human connection. That is what separate legendary creators from average developer. So if you truly want to become a great game developer, don't just uh, don't just don't just study coding. Study psychology, study films, study music, study human behavior. Because players may forget mechanism, but they never forget how a game made them feel. So that is for today, guys. This is मैं मिलूँगा आपसे एक और न्यू बेस्ट वीडियो में. सो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, वीडियो को भी लाइक करना, और मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे एक और न्यू बेहतरीन वीडियो में. ये वीडियो कैसे लगी आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जाकर ज़रूर बताना. अगर आपको इसमें थोड़ी भी इंफॉर्मेशन मिली अगर इस वीडियो से, तो कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके आप बता सकते हो, अपनी राय दे सकते हो. सो मैं मिलूँगा आपसे एक और न्यू बेहतरीन वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय.